Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add a comparison table to Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to display your pricing plans or product features side by side, making it easier for visitors to compare options and make informed decisions. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, you'll need to head over to elfsite.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but the process is straightforward and only takes a moment. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard where all your apps and widgets are managed. On the left side menu, look for the option that says Add New App and click on it. This will open up a search feature where you can browse through various widgets that Elfsight offers. In the search bar, type in Pricing Table and click on it when it appears in the results. This widget is specifically designed to help you create professional-looking comparison tables. Now you'll see several templates displayed on your screen. From these options, choose Comparison Table and then click Continue with this template. This template is ideal for showcasing multiple options side by side, allowing your visitors to easily see the differences between your offerings. Once the template loads, you'll have the opportunity to edit the content of your comparison table. Feel free to explore the customization options and adjust the features, pricing, colors, and text to suit your website's style and branding. This step is crucial because it ensures the table reflects your specific products or services accurately. Take your time here to make sure everything looks exactly how you want it. After you're satisfied with your edits, click Publish at the top of the screen. A confirmation message might appear, so just click the Close button to dismiss it. Your comparison table is now ready to be embedded into your Squarespace site. Next, locate the three dots beside your newly created comparison table widget and click on them. From the drop-down menu, select Embed Code. This will generate a unique code snippet for your widget. Go ahead and copy this code as you'll need it in just a moment. Now it's time to switch over to Squarespace. Open your Squarespace site and click the Edit button to enter editing mode. Navigate to the section where you want your comparison table to appear, then click Add Block from the block options. Find and click Embed. This will insert an embed block into your page. Click the pencil icon on the embed block to open its settings. From there, click Code Snippet and then click Embed Data. This is where you'll paste the code you copied from Elfsight. Once the code is pasted in, click Save to apply the changes. Finally, click Exit to leave editing mode and view your live site. Your comparison table should now be visible and fully functional on your Squarespace page, allowing visitors to easily compare your offerings. And that's it. You've successfully added a comparison table to your Squarespace site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.